Hello everyone, welcome to bmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, you will be learning how to create hydronic supply systems in Revit. We need mechanical equipment which supplies in this place, which is a heating distribution pump. Let's load a mechanical pump from the library, mechanical equipment, load the family. It is available under mechanical MEP components, which is a water side component, I believe. Pump, let me check. An air side heat pumps. Yes, it's an air side component, heat pumps, and these four are very same, but the discharge and the connection positions changes in the variation. I'm loading this into the project. Now if I go nearby one of the equipment and press a space, you will be able to understand the connection which comes in the opposite direction like this. So you'll be able to use the space key and rotate it as you need it. What I need is I need high efficiency left distributions, left return, and 11 kilowatts. So let me take this. Place it like this. Make sure you are placing in the right level and right elevation value. So we have placed that in the ground level 0 at level 3. So we'll be able to change the value as probably 2 meters and check that in the 3D or in section view. You can take the section view from here. You will be able to create this section view across the equipment and the ductworks to see the height. Double click on the head and you will be able to see them in the section view. Make sure you're using find to see the elements clearly, and you click the equipment, and if you need, you can align those right to the element like this. I recommend you to align this a later time for the coordination purpose. At the moment, we are learning about hydronic pipe creations. So to understand this equipment very clearly, there are many connections available in this equipment. You will be able to see this side which says in, and the other side it says electrical properties, which is electrical connector, and you will be able to see that there are pipe connections. At the moment you see only one pipe connection, but there are many pipe connections in this place. If I click, it shows there are 4 connectors in this place, which are water supply in, water supply return, hot water supply in and out. So we are going to use these two, flow direction in and out. On the other side, you'll be able to see that there is a duct connections and there is a pipe connections as well. With this, we'll be able to create a pipe connections in section view or in the plan view. Based on your experience, you will be able to decide which options you needed. Let me go to the section view, double click, and you can select the equipment and you'll be able to see that there are different connections in this place. One of them is sanitary pipe, which we'll be discussing later, which is the wastewater will be disposed outside. I need to connect with these 2 connectors like this and able to supply it. You can directly take the pipe connections from here, pipe, and you will be able to draw it from this place. Or in this case, you will be able to select the equipment, click this little button, create pipe, and it will give you the option to create the pipes. The same way, you can select it and you will be able to see here the other pipe. Click that, the pipe connection options will be shown. When I select the pipe element, so you'll be able to see their properties. You have to make sure that it is hydronic supply, the other one is hydronic return. The system will be created for the equipment if you press the tab key, and you will be able to see the dotted lines. If I click that, it says pipe system. If you select, it selects the mechanical equipment. If you tap that, it selects all the elements which is connected with that and the network. After that, it shows the pipe system. The pipe system that we are in, which is called hydronic supply 2. It's not selecting the other pipe. If I do tab one more time, it selects the other element. Try one more time. Click. So you can do multiple times like this to understand what are the systems are available. In this time, it selects the hydronic written 1. So this is called system. If you are using the duct system or pipe system, you will be able to understand the system availability and creations under the view, user interface, and in the system browser option. You can open the mechanical supply air and you will be able to see the supply air which we have earlier created. Similarly, the piping system, you'll be able to see there are two systems available, hydronic supply and hydronic written. So we'll be discussing that system browser later time with the detailed way how we can use that. This time, so we'll be able to go back to the plan view and we can see that the pipe connections are dropping down in this place. Since we are in medium view, we'll be able to not see the pipe detail. Make sure it is in fine and you can see them clearly. You can see that as per AutoCAD drawings, it's under this place. If you want, you can reroute it as per your space availability and other constraints. You can change the connections and make your own choice. I'm deleting these options and I will be able to draw a pipe. Right click on the point and draw the pipe to the side like this. Select it, delete the pipe, and you have to hide the other element, or you will be have to go to the section view, select the pipe, right click, draw the pipe like this. Draw pipe. Going back to the plan view, you can see that the pipes are going down and we have to draw the pipe this direction. So we can select the section view and use the rotate command to rotate it 90 degree. Drag this down a little further and open the view by double clicking the view head or otherwise right clicking on the section view, go to view. Now we will be able to see the pipes we have drawn. Right click on each pipe and draw your pipe's length. So when we are doing the right pipe connection on the right click, automatically it selects the pipe systems. You don't have to worry about the systems. Otherwise, if you are taking the pipe connection from the system tab, pipe, you have to make sure that you are selecting the right pipe types and you have to make sure that you are having the right pipe size and the connection options. So when I'm selecting in this place, right click, draw pipe, it automatically selects the same size, same systems and the same elevations. Now we can draw these two pipes at the same elevation level. If you want to check in 3D, you can select all the elements and go to section view and you'll be able to change this into fine. You can see your pipe connections clearly. Now these two pipes are going in same elevations to the other machine what we have. Close this, coming back to the floor plan. Now we have the layouts already existing. If you wanted to align with the same layout, you can do that by using align command. like this. Align command, AL. Now we have perfectly aligned with the other elements. Similarly, you can create the other equipments and you can make your series of connections to the other element like this. Right click, draw pipe. I'm going to draw a continuous pipe to the till the turning point like this and turn it down like this way. Similarly to the other pipe, draw pipe. If any changes happens in the pipe size, you will be able to change it at any time you need it, at any segment that you want it. But we have to connect these pipes to this pipe work here. You have to move your section view from that place to here. Rotate the section view as like with the previous time, 90°. Move it nearby. And you will be able to see your pipe which goes through your section view, and we have our connections in this place. Select the pipe, draw the pipes. Make sure it aligns with the center line like this and connect with the pipe. Click the button and you'll be able to draw and align it. This time it's not aligning, so let me draw this separately and use the align command. Under modify, align command, I need to align this center point as a first point and the center axis. Now it aligns. Use the trim and extend command or the trim extend command, which is single element. Till this element need to extend. Select all the elements, go to section box of these elements, and you could see that the elements are properly connected in this place. So many of the times the questions comes that where do we place the equipment? So the equipment is supposed to be known that the equipment is supposed to be hanged where or placed where. So these equipments will be placed or hanged on the roof ceilings, and so we have to place them between the ceilings or the ceiling nearby the ceiling side, nearby the duct connection supposed to happen. I hope you will be able to learn this and connect the remaining elements which is there in the plan view and connect them. Until then this pipe goes all the way to the other floors. Let me know if you have any comments or queries related to this, and I'll be able to create the other videos based on that. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next tutorial.